Apple launches a new iPhone series every year. Sometimes we get huge upgrades and sometimes we get minor upgrades. The iPhone 16 series launched this year and these devices are built for Apple Intelligence from scratch. We have our hands on the iPhone 16 Pro Max and in today's review, we are going to find out the 5 reasons to buy it. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button with your old iPhone or Android phone and let's begin this show about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, Apple knows how to sell its iPhones. By that I mean they know how to make their iPhones look more appealing. And if you look at the new iPhone 16 Pro Max, you might fall in love with this as it's newly launched. But is it worth every rupee that's coming out of your pocket? Hey everyone, I am Mohit.
I am Samira and today we are here from Gadgets 360 to talk about the reasons why you should or shouldn't buy the latest beauty by the Apple, which is iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's explore the device together.
Now, here are the 5 reasons that you should consider buying the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Display and design. The first thing to talk about is the display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features 6.9 inches Super Retina XDR display, which was 6.7 inches last year in the 15 Pro Max, and 227 grams of weight, which was 221 grams last year. It's the biggest and also the heaviest iPhone you can buy with the thinnest borders of any of its products.
Even being the biggest iPhone, the weight distribution of the new iPhone 16 Pro Max feels quite handy. It's easy to handle even if you have small hands like me. The aesthetics and the display feels quite nice and that's one reason to buy it. Now Apple has introduced a dedicated camera control button in the iPhone 16 series. It's one of the add-ons that you will find physically in the new iPhone 16 series along with the action button which was there in the Pro and Pro Max models last year. Once you press this button, the camera opens up real fast and helps you click faster as well so that you don't miss the moments that you want to capture. Now if you ask me if this was necessary, I guess it was much needed because the camera control button has helped push the camera to be used more and more, at least for me.
Performance. The new iPhone 16 Pro Max features a new chipset, which is A18 Pro. Now Apple claims it to be 15% more CPU efficient and 20% more power efficient. And to put it to perspective, here is the table for the benchmarks. The difference is clearly visible. On Antutu, the computing is close to 20% higher, and on Geekbench 6, it's 18% for the single-core performance and approximately 22% higher on the multi-core performance. The iPhone 16 Pro Max does not stutter at all even if you do AAA gaming, video editing, photo editing, and AI apps that you need to have on your device. This device also features a bigger and a better battery, where Apple just mentioned 33 hours of video playback, and in our test, the phone actually holds up to 28 hours and 33 minutes of HD video playback, which is pretty nice. While the peak brightness of 2000 nits in harsh sunlight remains the same compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The one thing that has changed and improved is you can go as low as 1 nit, which is actually amazing, where you can scroll your iPhone in bed without troubling others, and that's one more reason.
Now, the whole iPhone 16 series will support Apple Intelligence. It's not here for now, but you will be the one to have it as soon as it will come out. With Apple Intelligence, you will be able to use the writing tool, prioritize notifications and messages, summarize calls and emails, create and edit emojis and images using AI. Everything will be easily done with the all-new Apple Intelligence, which will be available on the iPhone 16 series.
The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a spectacular camera system, which features a 48 megapixel primary camera, 48 megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. The primary camera and a telephoto camera are the same as the last year's 15 Pro Max. The only add-on here is the 48 megapixel wide-angle camera, which was 12 megapixel last year. The iPhone 16 Pro Max camera offers a huge upgrade to the photos that you click, be it portrait clicks in nighttime, which looks stunning in such low light. Wide-angle quality pictures look so much improved. And on top, you can now shoot in macro mode. Here are some pictures for the macro mode as well. The iPhone 16 Pro Max also features video recording at 4K 120 FPS, which was much needed. And here's how it looks.
Now it's time for the 3 reasons that you shouldn't. Very expensive. The iPhone 16 Pro Max was launched at a price of 1,44,900 rupees. It's quite expensive unless you have millions of dollars sitting in your bank. Affording a brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max is gonna be hard. Maybe pick up a slightly older model that serves your purpose and save money.
Similar design to the 15 Pro Max. So, the design of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is very similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you just simply remove the camera control, make 16 Pro Max a little bulkier, and downgrade the wide-angle camera to 12 megapixel, it's basically iPhone 15 Pro Max on steroids.
Front camera is not upgraded. Front camera has not been upgraded since a few years, and since iPhone 11, the front camera is the same, which is 12 megapixel. I think it's time to have some upgrade, right? Do let us know in the comments.
So, these are the reasons to buy and not to buy the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let us know what you guys think about it. Make sure to subscribe to Gadgets 360. We are super close to 1 million subscribers. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.